binde vinge inyiranga mbamwa tomokorili omu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tomokorili wa forklift asibe go bokorili wa which customer care buri obwibirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bikumbolire bintu biga asiri gurira mubuko asamange tutalere asinsemo cha owu complex eyurangi na magacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchiwo songo baktore simbo transaction number chabo 0111 161 500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Marogo wengi yari tukeriga ria tiche gatatu mwancho muligire na kwariganire na inde ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogova akagendera tukutwara obuligire obya ime ya Getembe TV sanga nentwe ase mutandao Facebook no yo YouTube ya masemo na Getembe TV eriane Matildah Obaigwa tukufuatirana na Wilson Makori koro asensemo yebipanyerelyo na nekirongo chaka koro ase kusingana yobo chori oboke obubra korekana litukori ankyo ase bunge ya Olekalao asoko mochora omo bunge bwensemeyo yogotoka me county ya Nyandarua nigobono ekiombe iketenere tobo chori obonene obo chori netimbebe ime yense ya Kenya ya Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC ono kyanyare koralibuna nigo kyaliganete kima asobo chori obo bweli tuko liankyo aukona na baliki bamangana maya nigo batebuna masakarali abwenerete nigo agendete wika sebituo na kubwa mono nigo obolendi bogendete gotingwa kegema gapa ko yakona kuro ase skuru ya Olekalao Senior School yo kutoka ase ebunge yo county yo ya Nyandarua.
On behalf of IEBC to supervise this electoral process and make sure that the electoral process is free and fair and peaceful so that the people of Olekalao can be able to determine who their leader is, and we anticipate and we expect that it's going to be fairly a very easy process for everybody because all preparations have been finalized, and I will ask my colleague to talk to the electoral process. But from the security point of view, where I chair the commission, we have had a very robust engagement with the security team in the Nyandarua and beyond. And yesterday we had an engagement with the IG, and that all preparations have been done. And we expect, of course, we expect a peaceful turnout and a peaceful process. But just in the unlikely event that somebody is up to some mischief, we want to let you know that the security organs of government are fully prepared to repulse anything that's going to be of any harm to the people of Olekalao as they exercise their rights. My appeal to the people of Olekalao is that this is an opportunity you have. This is a golden opportunity which you need to exercise your democratic right. Please do it wisely, do it consciously, do it peacefully. Choose a leader of your choice, a leader who you think is going to help you tomorrow in the National Assembly. For us as IEBC, we are basically midwives. We are impartial organization. We have no specific candidate.
Mwancho murigereria comment kana na ibikorwa byo kubura kwa murembe ime yense ya Kenya nigo mubunge oimbakasi East omoske Bobo Wino anyare ko mochia hagati y'abarai bali abako bagutumeka abasaye bobe anamona so kubakana chibesa chire chinke kwikirani obusagani ase chinsemo kaukwana na baliki bamugana maya nigo anyare kubura bunanere buya abasaye imeyezi ya Kenya konyorerwe imirimo bunenchire moyo kubatanga kurwa ase ugutumekwa bobe negati yabarai gwikirania nabo igo gukora amugana atari amaronge.
These goons are always unleashed to attack us, to harm us, and to probably kill us. The unfortunate thing is that we are losing lives. Whenever there are these attacks, we are losing lives of innocent Kenyans, youthful boys, young men, who had a hope of having better lives. But instead, because they have no option, they are being used, misused, They are being recruited as goons. In Kenya, we don't have a government. We have a goon-verment. There is no government at all in this nation, because the government already has a monopoly of violence. It is the most violent state. It has the tools of violence. It has police officers, not limited to even the military. And now that the government is even unleashing goons on its citizens, instead of giving jobs, they are giving goons, rungus and pangas, to kill fellow innocent Kenyans. It is quite unfortunate that these boys are only paid 500 shillings, at most 1,000 Kenya shillings, to take the life of a fellow Kenyan. A Kenyan who cannot afford school fee for the child, just as you can't as a goon. A fellow Kenyan who cannot afford 3 meals in a day, just as you. A fellow Kenyan who cannot pay his rent, just as you can't pay your rent. Why do you want to kill a fellow Kenyan who is as innocent as you are?
Mwancho murigirire Ekeombe kimanyikanite na Elections Observation Group nigobono Kenya reko mocha campaign echo chabere kigokorekana ase bunge ya Olekalau sebatebiri na bamenye bechinseme echo tibara bakwegwo bosibole boko cha waka chikuro na gochora bari abaganete Ekeombe kyo nigobono Kenya rire kuralia buna okwena no wechibesa na boigo ebinto binde binge gotema kubaikera andake bari batari kwenyara kora ase bunge yobuna nchiremo yo kubayebereria bachigwakira egati ya bari chikura negento osinegati ebinto birema mincha yeli chiko ye katiba yense ya Kenya na kubomono ase amungana yobocholi.
I'm privileged to serve as the chairperson of ILOG. My name is Victor Nyongesa. During the period that we deployed our long-term observers, we were able to document several incidents that could undermine the electoral process, and I will proceed to talk about these few instances. One, our report notes that there was vote buying and distribution of cash and materials incentives across the constituency. Observer reports linked these activities to actors from nearly all participating political parties, with leaders affiliated with the UDA featuring most prominently. The reported inducement included cash ranging from 200 bob to more than 5,000. We had instances where people distributed gas cylinders, mattresses, shoes, and even other household items. One common practice involved distributing of 1,000 bob to groups of 3 people, locally referred to as 330 meetings. 330 meetings, basically 3 youth or 3 people per group given
Murai wense ya Kenya Muske William Samoei Ruto nigobono akwanire kati ya mirobelio eli serikali ya bireke goikirania na bwigo kwenekia elio ko ba nyorera abasaya ba Kenya kiria bagokora kawo kwana kora ase amagacho aikulo enene chinka Kenya ragusanga ne timu ya bakengoyo ya AFC Leopards. Muske William Ruto nigateba buna abasaya kwibwatirania samangana yechigosori samangana yobwagachi bwechinyomba chieri goli irense na boigo sebinto binde vingi na muno mirobeli ya serikali yabekire nenchere yemo yokuba emeremo na boigo kwenyorera mugati obo ukira lituko.
The Raila Odinga Talanta Stadium is nearing completion, while modern stadia are rising across Kenya, not only as venues for competition but also as centers of enterprise, innovation, and community development. At the same time, we are strengthening the talent pipeline. And before I go there, we will not only have a pitch, and Minister Mvurya has said, Talanta Raila Odinga Stadium is a football-only stadium. The first football-only stadium. There is no running track there. It is what we do with the young people of our nation that will decide whether they become part of the solution or part of the problem. And that is the reason why spending time on this space around how to create opportunities for young people is part and parcel of my administration. Sports is a key pillar of engagement with young people, finding opportunities for young people, creating space for them to develop their talent, for them to earn opportunities or to enjoy opportunities in that space. It traverses all the way from sports to Nyota, which I'm doing again with my good friend Oparanya, to empower young people, to the space around what we are doing in affordable housing. It's about young people, creating opportunities for them, all the way to what we are doing in education, because every young person starts with knowledge. We are investing billions of Kenyan shillings in our education, training, and college, because that is how we develop our young people.
Chinga kecho muske Ruto niganyara kwegerera uchumi yense ya Kenya asatebire muna nonya bakenya babiri bakwemurunganiria igatie bitambukiro serikali ya yabirige kwimukia yense ya Kenya nechikwa kuba asaga yagosenegendera gukinaga uchumi ase amatuko arebo siasa yebwekanire ne Chinsa chinde chire cyabere chikogendera satebire muna Chinsa cyonse nigo cha kretense abakenya atibawasa gutwara gwichana
vile nchi zile zingine zilivyofanya. Hata China, hii China mahali tunaenda kukopa pesa siku hizi 30 years ago ilikuwa nchi maskini. Ni mnanielewa? So hii Kenya tunaweza kubadilisha na tutabadilisha. Just take it from me, kwa mapenzi ya Mungu. Si ndio? Kwa miaka mitatu tumefanya mambo, lakini sio kwa urahisi. Watu wamenipigia kelele, wakanifanyia maandamano, wakanitukana, wakanifanyia nini, lakini mimi nimekaa ngumu kwa sababu kwa sababu nchi haiwezi kubadilika bwana bila ya mtu kuwa mkakamavu. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Watu walikuwa wanapigia kelele, sijui tusifanye housing. Wakanifanyia maandamano hapo, wakanipeleka kotini, wakanifanyia nini, tusifanye housing, hii housing levy, sijui nini. Wewe umekuwa Zakayo. Leo nyinyi ni watu mnaishi Nairobi. Nairobi inabadilika ama haibadiliki? Hii Kibera imekuwa ikitusumbua hii. Si leo inajengwa? Si Mathare inajengwa? Si Nairobi, hapa Nairobi peke yake tunajenga nyumba 80,000. 80,000 houses in Nairobi City. Kila sehemu ya Kenya, enda Kakamega, enda Bungoma. Bungoma tunajenga one of the largest housing estates in Kenya. Kisumu, Migori, Garissa, Kiambu, Eldoret, Nakuru, every part of Kenya.
Mwanzo murigere na bono to kolere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabona muragoba kolende to basa guska hendra utwara murigere obya eme ya Getembe TV Ekeonga kyamwa mugusi cross ebimanyererio nere Wilson Makori kuroko Matildah Obaigwa nere Kevin Ongeri wakubwatirana na yunuke cross studio ya kabire hendra utobwatia semitanda yito yekerero so tonyora buna Getembe TV naboigo Getembe TV and FM twara marago bengia naboigo murigere obya.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoka miyo mucho busongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukali kurwasa che company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'ikimini kurwasa che company ao amajani kurwasa company lya Keteba echumbi ya cancelled egati ibintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangi che company ya Crown asibwe bakonya amabati kurwasa company lya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabwo ne chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati ibintu binde binge Inyiranga mbabwato bokali obulungi buna bono buyebo bosombi gose transportation mbabwato bokali bwa forklift asibwe bokali bwa which customer care buli obwebirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero bikumbalire ibintu biga aseligurira mu buko asamange tutalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyirangi namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchiwo songo bakiresi mgwetrase namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne nubatakorera kondi gwensi ebenkulie kwemekutano ukorere kugukwa kulie gukwinyulia kusemera igende yonsi oraganye eririwe mono Getembe FM
your station
nero iridiuka eyubwate signet ndi na bwigo ensera kirege tangaza munintwe aseligulira mabuko twakirisi migwetrase namba 0143567165 Getembe FM asa matangazo ana olegene. Ine kwabirgo kolija road show track iyo bwate yugirija iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabirgo kolija track yiga ya road show iyo rakolere product launch use emisangerekano ya siasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye ci road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoletere track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liri ya kigima eriri cyujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate ci DJ Janjere ci MC nabwigo track yana boko jitumika asobo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito Chinsa abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amuneje county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endeyonsi chingaki ubunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgweterase namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange